Hello friends, welcome back to Fun to Kids. We will learn today about good habits versus bad habits. Come on, let's learn. Pray. What it is? It's a good habit. Praying is a good habit. Bath. What it is? Which habit it is? Good habit. It's a good habit. Angry. Being angry is a bad habit. Bad habit. Being dirty. What it is? It is also a bad habit. It's a bad habit. Being lazy. It is absolutely a very bad habit. Very bad habit. To be kind. Yes, it's a good habit to be kind. Being disrespectful? Oh, it's a very bad habit. It's not good. Helpful. Being helpful is a good habit. Yay! Scrolling reels all the time. It's a bad habit also, my friends. Eating healthy food. Yes, it's absolutely a good habit. Wonderful. Thank you, friends. Do like, share and subscribe.